Microsoft Office, a legendary Office suite of applications, servers, and services developed by Microsoft, offered many applications that people can use for both personal and business tasks. Excel and PowerPoint are two of those applications. Of course, you need to learn how to use those two applications if you want to use them as much as possible. In this video, you will learn many tools that could be useful to know when you need to do a specific task. The content present in the video is explained in the book Microsoft Office 2016 Advanced. More precisely, the content is on the two modules 8 and 10 of Microsoft Excel and modules 8 and 9 of Microsoft PowerPoint. Modifying a presentation using graphical elements can be useful for a business person who would really like to use graphics to present anything from its business. The features presented in the Module 8 of the PowerPoint part allow someone to change a text box outline color, weight, and style, to set text box formatting as the default for new text boxes, apply a gradient, texture, pattern, and effects to a text box, convert word art to smart art, reorder smart art shapes, and to promote and demote smart art text. More than this, the user will learn in this module to add and remove smart art shapes, convert a smart art graphic to text. The most useful tips presented in this module are how to customize and reset the ribbon and how to save the presentation as a picture presentation. In the second PowerPoint module presented in my presentation, the Module 10, Developing a Presentation with Content from Outside Sources, will be presented to the users. One can notice that in the business world, the creation of presentation with many different outside sources is very frequent. This is the main reason why inserting an object from a file, drawing and formatting a table, resizing, splitting, distributing and arranging table columns, and switching chart rows and columns are important things to know. More than that, changing a chart type, applying a chart style and effects to chart elements, displaying chart elements, and editing chart data are other important things to know to accomplish this task. PowerPoint presentation can be very appreciated by visual people. Now let's go to the second part of the presentation, which is the presentation of the two Excel modules. The first one I will present you is the Module 8. The module consists of working with trend lines, pivot tables, pivot charts, and slicers. Many useful tips are presented to the person reading the book. In this module, analyzing worksheet data using a trend line, creating a pivot table report, formatting a pivot table report, applying filters to a pivot table report, creating a pivot chart report, formatting a pivot chart report, and applying filters to a pivot chart report will be presented. These elements are some of the functions also presented in module: analyzing worksheet data using pivot table and pivot chart reports, creating calculated field and formatting slicers. These functions with Excel can be used very often by business people in any presentation as a visual support. The Excel modules do not only consist of working with trend lines, pivot tables, pivot charts, and slicers. The Module 10 of Excel presents the data analysis with power tools and how to create macros. In this module, one can learn how to customize the ribbon and enable data analysis, how to use the get and transform data command, how to create a query using Query Editor, how to explain data modeling, and how to create a measure. In this module, one may also learn how to use Power View, how to create titles in a PowerPoint report, how to use 3D maps, how to save a tour as an animation, and how to create hyperlinks. For any type of business, the use of Excel and PowerPoint can be useful, but to be even more useful, knowing all the tools that are offered is greatly better. The Microsoft Office book is very easy to understand, and the tools presented in it can save a lot of time for any person who knows clearly how to use the applications.